Hi, this is Terry. I've been maintaining a 180-pound weight loss for over a year with a clean, whole foods, meat-focused, low-carb, low-calorie approach. Hey, so I went to Walmart this morning. This is Saturday the 23rd. Let me show you what I got. My total was $425. I budget for $400, but you'll see what I got for that $25 extra. So we'll start over here. I get paid twice a month. And so twice a month I go shopping for a massive haul, or what I call a massive haul for me. And twice a month I buy dog food. I have two different kinds of dog foods I have to buy because I have an allergy dog and he gets this Pure Balance grain-free. It's the salmon and pea recipe. So Lou gets that bag. And then these other three bags it's three different treats. They're all rawhide free. I personally like rawhide free. I can just give it to them and walk away, and I know they're not going to choke on it. I've had dogs in the past kind of get choked on rawhide before. They didn't die, but I watched them where they throw it up and chew it up and throw it up and chew it up. So anyway, so I just buy rawhide free dog treats. So now let's move to Terry's stuff. I buy these lawn and leaf bags. I get those. For my donation stuff. So I have as I try on clothes, I still find clothes. I'm like, oh, wait a minute, that's too big. Or, Terry, you got a little ambitious on this. That's too tight. Let's donate it. So I just have a thing in my bedroom where I can drop things into it. And I put those in there. I got some quart-size freezer bags. And for Lou's dog bed, I use this Tide Free and Gentle. So I just bought some Tide Pods. But don't eat them, y'all. Don't eat Tide Pods. Don't be that person. Then I got some dishwasher pods. I got some regular Tide Pods for my bedding. Got my disinfectant wipes. You know I keep those out on my counter all the time. And two of these 6 triples. I guess probably 3 triples. Anyway, whatever it is, I got some Bounty. And then I picked up some scrub Scotch brushes. They're copper coated. I don't remember why I needed them. Oh, for my floor in my bathroom. So anyway, so I got some Scotch-Brite. Look what I found. This is a K-Cup cleaning and descaling kit. It's a one-use. You all may have tried this before, and you may think it's the dumbest thing. You all, let me know down in the comments if this works. So it says it works better than vinegar. We'll see. But anyway, so that's, no, this is my last. I got some of these, oh, Terry, I got the wrong size. Carn Flabbit, I got to take these back. I got the wrong size batteries. Shoot fire. Well, it's these little coin batteries, but I got the wrong ones. So I need to take those back and exchange them. But I'll set them back to the side over here. Let's get to the food items. This is why it was 25 over. I saw this ribeye steak, and this is the good kind of steak, you know what I mean? Like the good ones. So, and it was $25. Yeah, it was a splurge, but sometimes you just do it. So, the expiration date was today, and it's a yellow sticker, so, yes, please. So, anyway, I got this. This is like liquid, or fatty gold, man. Mwah! I'm going to set this over to the side. Okay, so, I've got these turkey cheddar Johnsonvilles. I know I picked up one that was not, oh yeah. And this is not turkey. It's the New Orleans andouille sausage. I plan on taking something to my mom's house tomorrow. Maybe. We'll see if I get it done. So I got those. And 2 bags of my cabbage. That's for my salads. And I've been enjoying the cheese of the day thing. So I picked up some Gruyere cheese. It's red apple cheese. Gruyere. And this one is aged Havarti. And then this one is smoked Gouda. So I picked up some cheeses and I'll, maybe have those for breakfast. We'll see. Picked up 1 pepper. I got 2 things of diced onions. This is all for my salad. I picked up, man, look at how funky these jicamas are looking nowadays. They're looking pretty wild. It's all kind of misshapen. I got 2 things of tomatoes. They didn't have the big ones that I usually get. And then I got a rutabaga. Got me a nice sized rutabaga. This one looked pretty good. Okay, let's see. I got 2 bags of apple. I got 10 Envy, or 5 Envy and 5 Cosmic Crisp. And you know, a lot of times people will be like, "How are you eating fruit? That's not low carb and keto." That's true, it's not. But I spent 2 years doing carnivore, and I did a lot of healing during that time. So for me personally, I'm able to eat fruit and I don't have any issues. If you do, I'm very sorry, you know, that you're going through that. I didn't eat fruit for 3 years. And even before that, I never really ate fruit before I did this. Instead of eating nature's candy, I ate processed candy. Yeah. So anyway, so this is kind of a new thing for me in my life. I've been doing about a year now. So far, so good. Anyway, then I got a bag of black grapes. And I like the frozen fruit. So I got 2 bags of the pineapple chunks and 2 bags of the mango chunks. And then, keeping with the frozen, I got 2 bags of pepper and onion blend. I'm going to put these in the freezer and then I'll get back with you. So by the way, you know, I do this shopping 1 time or twice a month. And also, what I will go back because the salad vegetables are not enough for 2 weeks. So I will go back and pick up 2 more bags of cabbage, some more onions, sometimes rutabaga, sometimes not. What else do I get? And sometimes tomatoes. So those are things that I go back, the things I make for my salad. But if you were to do this shopping, if you don't have dogs, it is... let's see, $40 plus 40. So you would probably take $80 off of that. But that's okay. I love my dogs. So anyway, and so, you know, I don't buy all the cleaning supplies every time, but I budget $400 every 2 weeks to include the things like cleaning supplies and you know, dish detergents and Ziploc bags. So I budget $400, so that way in some weeks, you know, I may not need Tide. So instead I buy Ziploc bags, or instead of Ziploc bags, I may need Bounty, you know. So I mean, I just kind of determine what I need each time. So let's finish up here. I got 3 of my flavor enhancers. You know, I love my flavor enhancers. I got some chopped pecans. I'm going to put these in the freezer, not to be eating on. This is for whenever I do things like the acorn squash and butternut squash like I did last time. So I'm going to put these in my freezer. I bought a bag of this Miracle Noodle spaghetti. Good stuff. Put you back down here. So this Miracle Noodle spaghetti. This is shelf stable, man. So how long does this stay? 2025. So, you know, this lasts a long time, so that's some good prepper food. Cocoa, because, you know, I make my chocolate electrolytes. And I have enjoyed my bread and butter pickle and relish mixture to put on my salads. So I bought 3 of these and 2 of these. I still have quite a bit left, so I won't be opening these for a while. But I just wanted to get them because, you know me, I'm a hoarder. I bought some of this Truvia brown sweetener. So you decide if this is right for you. 0 calories, but 8 carbs and 7 erythritols. So it's definitely got the fake sugar in it. So you have to decide if that's something you'd want. It's not something I've ever bought, so I was going to use it, for my acorn squash and butternut squash. That's what it called for. So then I went ahead and bought some of these old-fashioned oats. I thought, well, I'm going to pick some up. I might want to try it. Sometimes, like, make the overnight oats. What I used to do was do, like, you equal of oats and then equal of almond milk, and then let it sit overnight, and then in the morning you can eat it. That just might be something fun to have with my burgers. I don't know. I bought it. You know, this kind of thing doesn't really go bad. So you can leave this, I could leave this on the shelf and never open it for 10 years. I bought some So a couple different herbal teas. This is cinnamon apple and fireside vanilla. Don't that sound fancy? Sometimes I like sipping tea. I told y'all I feel all highfalutin. I can be like, let me just sip my tea. And I feel like somebody from over the pond somewhere who has tea time. Listen, I ain't making fun of y'all. That's just what I hear in my head. So, okay. And then I bought 2 bags. So, let's get to the meat and potatoes of this the meat and non-potatoes of the whole thing. So, I use these burgers for my breakfast. I buy 2 bags. And these 2 bags is enough to last me. It makes 16 breakfasts because I make 1.5 burgers for breakfast. So this makes me 16 breakfasts. Come over here. This is the last thing. This is my 80-20 ground beef. And I buy 4 of them. 2 of them make 8 meals and 2 of them make 8 meals. Or 2 of them make 16 meals and 2 of them make 16 meals. I do 7 ounces. So that would be, this right here is 2 weeks worth of meals. So let me find them. La la la. Where is it at? Where is it at? I'm trying to hurry. Sorry, y'all. That's the steak. Okay. This 80-pound, or these are 5-pound burgers, and they're $17. Ziggy, 17 times 4.
17 times 4 is 68.
Okay, so $68, and that's my lunch and suppers for 2 weeks. Now, we know I have salads or vegetables with it, but what'd I say? How much was that? Ziggy, 17 times 4?
Good morning, Terry. 17 times 4 is 68.
Okay, so $68, and that's my meat for my lunch and supper. And then these, let's see if I can find them. Oh yeah, this was $13. Y'all know I was about to ask her, but I can do this in my head. $26 for my breakfast. Hey Ziggy, 26 divided by 16.
26 divided by 16 is 1.625.
So $1.60 for my breakfast burgers. So $1.60. And what she said this was 67. Ziggy, 67 divided by...
Sorry, I didn't get that.
Oh, shut up.
67 divided by what?
67 divided by 16.
67 divided by 67 divided by 16 is 0.6.
No, Ziggy. 67 divided by 16.
67 divided by 16 is 4.1875.
Okay, so $4. So you got your lunch meat and your supper meat for $4 and some change. I didn't hear what she said. So for $4, there's your meat. You can't buy a 7-ounce burger for that. That's like, that you got them quarter-pound patties, and they cook all that stuff out of it. So them quarter-pound patties, that's only 4 ounces. And you can't even get 2 quarter-pound patties for that. And they're all cooked and all that dried out. So anyway, all right, there you go. So leave all the other stuff off, and $67 for my lunch and supper, and whatever I said for my breakfast. And you can leave all the other stuff off and use whatever you want. But that's what I got for $425 at the Walmart. Okay, bye.